guys, I'm Stacy and this is Gorgeously Aging, and you guys, today we are going to test out the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Fall Romance palette. I have to admit, I'm a bit of an obsessive collector of palettes by Anastasia Beverly Hills because the formula is always so good. The color story on this one is just so stunning. I'm really excited to play with it. So for those of you who are brand new, my name is Stacy. I have been in the beauty and aesthetics world my entire adult life as a salon and spa owner and permanent cosmetics artist. I'm also a master medical esthetician. I love all things beauty, skincare, facial rejuvenation, and makeup. I have a special passion for advanced facial rejuvenation, and if you're interested in those videos or learning more on how you can save tons of money on facial rejuvenation, you can find my DIY videos at gorgeouslyaging.com and also rumble.com. Just search Gorgeously Aging and you'll find me on all social media platforms. I'm going to start my eyeshadow look today by using this MAC paint pot, and this one is in soft ochre. This is a little bit old, so it has dried up a tiny bit. So if you ever have one of these that gets a little bit dry, you can put a drop of like squalene oil in it just to soften it up a bit. So I'm just going to lightly, not with a lot of product, go over my whole lid just to give it a good grip and a good canvas for the eyeshadow. This is an optional step, but it really does hold that makeup in place. So today I have the Ardell 420 Naked Lash on, which is my favorite strip lash, because it does look a little more natural. Typically my preference is to put the strip lash on after I do the eyeshadow, but I did a tutorial earlier today on how to glue down a strip lash so that it doesn't budge or lift in the corners. If you are a strip lash wearer, check out that video. There is nothing more annoying than when you have your lashes on and you look in your rearview mirror, or you're out and about and you can feel that it's lifting on the inner or outer corner. Drives me crazy. So I'm going to start with this beautiful color. It is called Leather, and it's kind of a greenish taupey color. It's really pretty and soft. I'm going to use a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to go above the natural crease up a little bit higher to give a little lift and start kind of blending in a transition. So for aging eyes, anybody over 40, I would say, definitely getting some lift above the natural crease is important. If you concentrate everything in the crease, it's going to be a little bit low and it's not going to give you an opened eye look. Very soft touch with the blending. You don't have to press too hard, and if you have a nice fluffy spread out brush like this, it really makes blending a lot easier. It is the Morphe and Ariel Makeup Artist Collection. This is an affordable set that I really do like. I'm going to use the same exact brush and go into Mulberry. And there's Mulberry. And I'm just going to come down a little bit so that it transitions up toward the brow. So I'm just going to go a little bit lower, just into and slightly above that natural crease, back and forth, and pull upward towards the tail of the brow. Now I'm going to take a flat brush. I'm going to spray a little setting spray on it so it's damp. And I'm going to go outside my comfort zone and go into this absolutely gorgeous color called Divine. Look at how stunning that is. And I'm going to pack that onto my lid. This flat brush is a little small. A bigger one probably would make this easier, but I'm just trying to do it in small sections so that I don't get messy. And then I'm going to move to a little bit fluffier brush here and just do a soft dip into that same color. And just transition this so it's not as intense on the inner corner and it's more intense in the middle. You can also use your finger to lay down some extra color right in the center, and then blend that in. And then I'm going to take a tapered brush, something like this. I'm going to go back to that Mulberry and just reinforce this area here, making a little outer V. I want to go into the inner corner with this beautiful color. It's called Smoke. It's a shimmery green. It's like so gorgeous. I'm going to use a small pencil brush. And then I'm going to go back to my big fluffy brush and the same color I started with, and just a small dip into that, and just blend this top section here, leaving just a little bit of light up close to the brow. I'm going to take a flat brush and go into the Mulberry and just define the lower lash line. Starting with this color, use a little bit of Shape Tape under, this is a Shape Tape Creamy, under my eyes, and the Hourglass concealer brush. And I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pencil and just create a little bit of a lift and highlight here. We'll blend that in. And just to finish it up, I'm going to go back in with that color Smoke on the pencil brush. Just want to add a little bit more of that on the inner corner and blend it in with that beautiful Divine color. Now there are so many gorgeous mattes in here. You don't have to use the shimmers. The colors in here, you could be as natural and neutral as you want, and you can really just have fun and play with it. So here's my over 50 eyeshadow look using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Fall Romance palette. They did not send this to me. I am a collector, so I do buy most ABH palettes when they come out, unless it's something I'm completely not interested in. One of these days I'll go through all of my Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes with you and rank them from best to worst. Let me know what you think of this eyeshadow look and me going outside my comfort zone with that beautiful purple Divine color. And is this palette something you would use? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to join the Gorgeously Aging community by subscribing to my channel. You can also find me on all other socials. Just search Gorgeously Aging and you'll find me there. Thanks so much for joining me today. I will see you in my next video.